A and B both are dealers of mobile. The price of mobile is 32,000 and A gives discount of 10% on whole, while B gives discount of 12% on the first 20,000 and 8% on the rest of 12,000. What is the difference between their selling prices? Yes, then actually the cost of the mobile is 32,000. So there is some discount on this. After discount we will find out the selling price. Here it is 12,000, it is 12,000, it is 20,000, it is 12,000. It is not single discount question. Okay. So actually what is the discount given on mobile by A? 3,200 is the discount. B gives 12% on 20,000, that is 2,400. 8% on 12,000, 960, that is 3,360, and the difference between the discounts is 160. Next, 9 liters are drawn from a flask full of wine and then filled with water. This operation is performed 3 more times. The ratio of the quantity of wine now left in the flask to that of the water is. After removing, this operation is performed 3 more times. So here the final ratio is 81:175. What is the total quantity? 256 liters. So which one of the following is the multiple of, is the factor of 256? $36 256 36 factor అవుతుందండి. ఎయిటీన్ అవుతుందా? 18 అవ్వదు, 24 అవుతుందండి. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇక్కడ ఏది అవ్వట్లేదు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ దీనికి ప్రొసీజర్ ఏంటంటే, సో యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ ఈజ్ 81 parts ఈజ్ ద క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ వైన్ లెఫ్ట్. దిస్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఈజ్ పర్ఫార్మ్డ్ హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్? 3 more times. Means already 1 time done, more 3 more times, total 4 times. The formula is 1 minus x by y whole power n, means 4 times, equals to 81 by, what is the total quantity? 256. So this is nothing but 3 by 4 whole power 4, isn't it? So obviously power 4s are cancelled. 1 minus x by y equal to 3 by 4, therefore x by y is equal to 1 by 4, isn't it? Here x represents the quantity taken out and y represents the original quantity of the solution. Here how many liters are taken out? Therefore 1 represents 9, 4 represents 36, that is the original solution. X represents the quantity taken out, y represents the total quantity of the solution. Therefore here y represents the total quantity. 1 unit is equal to 9, therefore 4 units is equal to 36. Don't forget this formula. Here the mistake you do is considering 81 by 175. You should not consider 81 by 175, you should consider 81 by 256, total number of units. Okay, next. Value of 2.2 whole square 3.3. This is in the form a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, isn't it? Here as the unit digits are different, let us check the unit digit of these numbers. Otherwise what is the formula for a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca? 1 by 2 into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Okay. Otherwise directly check with the unit digit. This is 4, unit digit 4, 9, 5, means 8, isn't it? 8 minus 6, 2, 2 minus 5, 7, 7 minus 0, option 4 is the correct answer. Next, ఇక్కడ ఆ యూనిట్ డిజిట్ ఎప్పుడు చూడొచ్చు అంటే ఇవన్నీ ఒక్కొక్క డెసిమల్లే ఉన్నాయి కదండి, అప్పుడు ఇబ్బంది లేదు. 2 డెసిమల్స్ ఉంటే మారిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of an aeroplane, is at a height of x meters. At a height of x meters is 30 degrees. The angle of elevation of the jet plane passing 300 meters above the aeroplane, 300 meters above the aeroplane, is 60 degrees. 60. Then what is the value of x? If it is 30, this will be 60. If the complete angle is 60, this should be 30. As the angles are 60 and 30, the lengths will be in the ratio cot 60 cot 30. That is cot 30 cot 60 అంటే 3:1 ratio. 3:1 ratio. Total 3 parts. This will be 1 part. Means this is 2 parts. Understood or not? 2 parts is equal to 300. What about 1 part? Option 2. If the angles are 60 and 30, the lengths will be in the ratio 3:1. Total length 3 parts. Small length, ఇక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దండి, ఈ లెంత్ 1 part కాదు, మనకి ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఉన్న పార్ట్ చూడాలి. ఓకే, this is 1 part, that is 3 parts, the remaining is 2 parts. 2 parts 300, 1 part is equal to 150. What is the total height అంటే 450. Next, the table shows the total employees, male plus female, in different departments in a bank. If 30% of the number of male employees from PO department, 30% resigned, and 20% of the female employees transferred, then what is the total employees of the PO department? 30% of 1020 is 306. 306 means 714 left. Understood? 20% of 480, 96, 80, 16 తీసేస్తే 384. The total amount is, the total number of employees are 1098 left. What is the total employees of the of the PO department now? Next, Pradeep and Sudhir started simultaneously from home at the speed of 16 km/h and 24 km/h respectively, reached the destination at 6 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. At what time did they start from the home? ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారండి ప్రదీప్, సుధీర్. ప్రదీప్ started with 16 km/h, సుధీర్ started with 24 km/h. ఎవరు ఫాస్ట్ వెళ్తారు? సుధీర్ reached at 4:30, but Pradeep reached at 6 o'clock because of the difference in speeds. So obviously, as the speeds are in the ratio 2:3, the time taken by them to reach the destination will be in the ratio 3:2, isn't it? So he has to travel 3 parts, he has to travel 2 parts. So here the times ratio must be 3:2. For example, if they started at 1:30, means how many hours journey is done by Pradeep? How many hours of journey is done by Pradeep? 4.5 hours, isn't it? How many hours done by Sudhir? What is the ratio? 3:2. Obviously, first option should be the answer. If it is 2 o'clock, this is 4 hours, this is 2.5 hours, 2.5, this is not equal to 3:2. 11:30 means 6.5 hours, 6.5 hours, 4 hours, not 5 hours, not 3:2, like that. You will get 130 as the answer. First option will satisfy the ratio, therefore answer is 130. They started at 1:30 in the afternoon. He reached at 6, he reached at 4:30. Median of an equilateral triangle is 19.25, then the ratio of diameters of circumscribed circle over it and inscribed circle in it. Median annadu. Median, actually we need not consider this value. The ratio between this is circumcircle, this is incircle. The ratio between circumradius and inradius is 2:1. That is the ratio of radii. That is the ratio of diameters also. He is asking for the ratio of diameters of these two circles. Radii are in the ratio 2:1. Obviously diameters will also be in the ratio 2:1. A sum of money was invested at a certain rate of simple interest for 5 years. Had it been invested at a 4.5% extra rate, it would have fetched 9,000 more interest. What is the sum of money? యాక్చువల్గా జనరల్గా ఒక రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇస్తున్నాడండి. ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్కి? 5 ఇయర్స్కి. ఒకవేళ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ని పెంచాడు అనుకోండి, ఎంత ఎక్స్ట్రా వస్తుంది ఇంట్రెస్ట్? 9,000. ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్కి? 5 ఇయర్స్కి. అంటే పర్ 1 ఇయర్ ఎంత వస్తుందండి? 1,800 rupees per annum he is getting as interest. That difference occurred due to an increase in interest rate by 4.5%. 4.5 is nothing but 1,800. What is 100%? దీనికి 4 times 4 times అంటే ఆప్షన్ 3, 100%. ఇక్కడ పర్ యానం వాల్యూ చూసుకోవాలండి. 5 years కదా, పర్ యానం వాల్యూ 1,800. నెక్స్ట్, A's age after 25 years will be 5 years less than the thrice his present age. The respective ratio between B's present age and C's present age, B's present age and C's present age 5:7. B's age after 20 years hence will be same as 2 times as present A's present age. Then what was C's age 10 years hence అని అడిగాడు. ఇలా చూడగానే నా ఏజ్ ఇది, ముందు నా ఏజ్ ఎంత, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఏజ్ ఇలా, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇలా చూడాలి. కంగారు పడకు, జాగ్రత్తగా చదువు. ఏజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 25 years విల్ బి, ఆఫ్టర్ ప్రెజెంటేజ్ చూద్దామండి. లెట్ us కన్సిడర్ ద ప్రెజెంటేజ్ ఇస్ ఎక్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ 25 years విల్ బి 5 years less than thrice is present age. Thrice is present age 5 years less. Then x equals to 2x equals to 30, x equals to 15. X equals to 15. And the respective ratio between B's present age and C's present age 5:7. B's age after 20 years, B's age after 20 years hence will be same as 2 times of A's present age. A's 2 times of A's present age means 30. This is after 20 years. What is present age of B? 10 years. If 5 represents 10, 7 represents 14. Then what is C's age after 10 years? 24. అది An increase of 20% in the price of sugar enables a man to buy 5 kg less for 300 rupees. Find the original price. ఇలా ఎప్పుడైనా అడిగినప్పుడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చాలా మంచి క్వశ్చన్ అండి, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ నేను ఇదివరకు చెప్పే ఉంటాను. యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ 300 rupees టు ఏ షాప్ అండ్ యు ఆర్ బయింగ్ ఆర్టికల్స్, బట్ డ్యూ టు an increase in the rate you are getting 5 kg less quantity. You are getting 5 kg less quantity. means what is the increase? 20% on 300 rupees. That is the increase actually. 300 rupees పట్టుకెళ్తున్నారండి. ఇప్పుడు రేట్స్ పెరిగాయి సార్, 20% పెరిగిందంటే మనం ఎంత పట్టుకెళ్ళాలి జనరల్గా? ఎస్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? రేట్లు పెరిగాయి సార్, పాత రేట్లు లేవు, ఇప్పుడు కరోనా వచ్చి మొత్తం మారిపోయింది అన్నాడు. 20% పెరిగింది సార్ అన్నాడు, అంటే మనం 360 రూపీస్ పట్టుకెళ్ళాలి. అంటే ఎంత డిఫరెన్స్ అండి? 60 rupees difference. Due to a difference of 60 rupees you are getting 5 kg less. So what is the price of each kg? 12 rupees. This is after increase. This is after increase in the price. What is the original price? This is after increase, means 120%. What is 100%? That is the original price. What is the increased price or new price? Increased price is 12 rupees. Understood? Increased price is 12 rupees. Original price is 10 rupees. Sometimes he asks for the increased price. Sometimes he asks for present. He asks for present value. Okay? Right. So here the present value is 10 rupees. 2 సార్లు 3 సార్లు చేస్తే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. If x square plus 1 by x square equal to 34, then find the value of x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. If you understand this question, x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4, so this is a factor of this, isn't it? So answer must be a multiple of 34. Answer must be a multiple of 34. 34 multiple only. 34, 172, 34 cancel avadu. 34, 2, 68, 136, 34 4s 136 multiple, 34 8 times, 34 8 times కూడా కాదు, 7 times కూడా కాదు, 6 times కూడా కాదు. 6 times అవుతుందండి? అవదు. ఇది అసలే కాదు. ఆప్షన్ 2. What is the procedure we have to follow? For finding x power 4 minus 4, we have to multiply x square plus 1 by x square with x square minus 1 by x square, isn't it? Here, how to find x square minus 1 by x square? Plus is given, minus you have to find. K square minus 4. That is root over 1152. 1156 minus 4. 1152. 1152 is nothing but 576 into 2. 576 into 2, that is 24 root 2. So obviously our answer should be 34 into 24 root 2. 34, 30s are 720 plus 90, 816 root 2. Option 2. Next. The sum of HCF and LCM of two numbers is 372 and the LCM is 30 times the HCF. If one number is 60 and the other number is, here sum of HCF and LCM 372. This is 4 multiple as well as 3 multiple, isn't it? 3 multiple, 4 multiple. ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయండి? ఇవి రెండు ఉన్నాయి కదా, 3 multiple, 4 multiple. సరే, ఓకే, రెండు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి LCM is 30 times HCF. Let HCF is x, LCM will be 30x. Total is, that is 372, isn't it? 31x equal to 372. X equals to 1 time, 2 times. 12, x equals to 12. If x equals to 12, therefore HCF is 12. Therefore numbers must be multiples of 12. This is multiple of 12. Another number must also be multiple of 12. ఇది మల్టిపులే, ఇది మల్టిపులే. ఓకేనండి? అప్పుడు what is the product of numbers? Here one number is 60, HCF is 12, LCM is 30 into 12. The product of the numbers must be equals to product of LCM and HCF must be equal to product of numbers, isn't it? Let us consider that as y. 32 times 2 6 times 12 6 are ఏదోటి చేసేయాలంతే, ఏదోటి ఆ టైంకి ఏదోటి. ఎవడు తెలుసు మనకి ఏ ఆలోచన వస్తుందో ఎవడు తెలుసు. అవునా? ఆప్షన్సా? Visitors to a show were charged 16 rupees on the first day, 14 rupees on second day, 12 rupees on third day. The attendance of 3 days was in the ratio 1:2:5. Find the average charge. First day 16 rupees, one person వచ్చాడు అనుకోండి 16 rupees. Second day 14 rupees, 2 persons 28 rupees. Third day 12 rupees, 5 persons 60 rupees. Total 88 16, 104. 104 divided by how many persons? 8. ఎంతండి? 13. Option 1. Total amount by number of persons 13.